How to add retro effects to your voice audio on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut, this is the home page as you can see. Now choose or upload your video from here or choose from your drafts like me. I'm gonna choose for example this draft. Now click on the audio, click on it 2 times like this until it gives you this voice effects option and click on it. Now after it takes you here, all what you have to do is simple. Just swipe right to retro, click on retro, and here you will find megaphone, lo-fi, vinyl effects. You can choose any of these and click on it and it will be applied on your video directly after you click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.